What's going on, guys? This is Card Warriors Magic, and today I have a really cool color change for you. This is called the shake color change. You'll see why in a second, but I'm going to go ahead and perform this, and after that, watch the tutorial, and I'll go into an in-depth explanation of it. So you start with a card right here. In this case, I have the 6 of hearts. I'm just going to take this 6 and give it a little shake. Boom, just like that, it changes into the Ace of Spades. That was the color change, guys, and be sure to stick around for the explanation. Okay, guys, so this change isn't terribly difficult, but it will take some practice to get the method down correctly. What you're going to need to begin with is just go ahead and flip over one card, okay? While you're flipping over this card, catch a pinky break under the second one. So let's say I flip over, okay, right here is the Ace of Spades. Quickly do a pushover or a pinky count or just something to get that pinky break under that card. Then go ahead and take the card right here, set it on top, and pick these two up as one. That's the first part. So you have a card right here and a card right here. After this, the deck does not matter for now. The position that you're going to hold it in, as you pick it up from the deck, right-handers are going to hold it like this, which would be basically wherever the card's pips are, if that guys helps you remember. Middle finger goes on the pip, thumb on the other pip. If you're left-handed, you're not going to use the pips. You're going to have a middle finger on the non-pip and thumb on the non-pip side. But I'm right-handed, so I'm going to teach you the right-handed method. But if you're left-handed, just do it the opposite. So right-handers, you're going to go ahead and hold it in this position. Middle finger here, thumb here, and you can just hold it right now. It looks like one card. People don't know there's a card on the other side. The big motion is that your pointer finger is going to go here, okay? So pointer finger goes right here on this side. This one, not this one, because mine can't reach that far even. So you're going to go ahead, put it on this side, and the big motion distracts the small motion, but really what I'm doing is this. I'm turning and flipping, okay? So that's what I'm going to be doing. What you guys want to do for this is simply put your finger right here, thumb and finger go here, put your finger right here and just take it and pull up and then to the right. Middle left-handers up and to the left. So again, you're going to take it, put it here, pull up and to the right, okay? Now what you want to do for this is do the shake, okay? So for the shake, again, it's going to look like that. I don't think I did a great job of that right there. But basically, as you shake the card, you're going to go ahead and take this and flip, okay? So as you take it and shake it, like so, you're just going to take it and then, what I like to do is start slowly. Just go ahead and do little shakes and then do one big shake. And then as you do that big shake, you're just going to go boom, just like that. And then make sure to kind of flatten it out so it looks like you didn't mess with it. Because if you have a card that's like that, people are like, why is it tilted? You shouldn't have had it tilted. Okay, so again, fingers in this position, and then 1, 2, 3, like that. A couple of tips for this. What you want to do is go ahead and put your fingers here. Then I like to go ahead and push up. Don't keep it flat. It's a little easier if you pull up, and it just makes it a little more believable. That's one card. So push down with these fingers, pull up with this one, and then like that when you do the move. Also, don't do big shakes the whole time. Don't go like that, and boom. It changes. People are like, I have no idea what you're doing. If you just do little ones, and then as you do the big one, do it really quick. That would work. Also, don't do the shake and then go like that. Do it. You don't want to do the turn slowly, because if you do the turn slowly, even though you're doing a shake, people can tell that you're doing something. When you do the shake, just do the shake and then boom, turn it really fast. So it's going to be boom, just like that. People are just going to, it's going to look like a flash to them, okay? So bend it up, do little shakes and then one big shake, and don't do like don't make your hand look like it's actually trying to do something difficult. Just make it look like you're doing a casual shake, and then do the move quicker than that, because that was not very quick. And don't do big, just do little like this, and then boom. People don't know what I'm doing. After you finish the shake change, if you want to, well, no, don't do this. Don't ever, so after you do this thing and you turn it, you're going to be in this position. For the right-handers, this is basically the left-handed position. Don't do this and then put your finger here and turn it back. You can do that if you're doing some sort of card flourish, but when you do that, people are going to be like, okay, you just have 2 cards in your hand. It's not that difficult to figure out. You just do it once and then set it on the pack. So, although if you guys are practicing turning a card, it's not hard to just do like that. By first finger goes in the normal turn, then it goes up here, then here, then here, then here, then up here, just like that. But after you do the shake and the turn, just take it, plop it down on the deck, boom, and then pick it up, because the 6 is now here, and say, now look, it was just 1 card, and you can fairly show. If by any chance, because I have had people do this, they'll be like, what's on top of the deck? Just do a double lift and be like, look, it's a 3 of diamonds, the 6 is gone, because people will get curious. And if someone does try to grab the deck from you, don't let them do it, because it's rude, and tell them, I'm not going to perform magic for you anymore, because people that do that are just rude. I'm sorry, it's kind of rude. So don't do it to someone else, okay, guys? Come on. Okay, so that's how you do it. Just go ahead and show, look, it's 1 card, and then that's the end of the trick. I usually incorporate this move into a trick, so an example of this really quick would just be like, okay, select a card. Let's say they selected this. Jack of diamonds, right? Go ahead and take that jack, get it to the top by a couple of false cuts or whatever you want to the jack, and then go ahead and put 1 card above the jack, whether you decide to do this in a shuffle or double undercut, whatever you guys want, it's your choice, but make sure the jack is second to the top. Then you can ask them, okay, I don't know what card is yours, but I have a feeling it's the 5 of hearts. Go ahead, grab that pinky break, put the 5 on top, do the shake change, 1, 2, 3, boom, the jack is right there. Look, there's your card. That's the jack. The jack. Okay, so that's how the trick works, guys. It's a really fun color change to use. It won't fool everyone, but if you get it down, for the most part, it should fool them. So yeah, if you guys would, go ahead and like the video. Be sure to comment below what you guys want to see next, and always be sure to subscribe. Thanks, guys.